Hey guys, Gabriella here. Today we are playing Blox Hunt. This is a Roblox game. I have now just entered my room. Let's get started. Okay. Very nice area. Okay, a new round will begin. Okay, so we are hiders. We're ready. I'm gonna be a teddy bear. About here. Actually, let's go over here. That's natural, right? Let's taunt. I'm ready, people. Oh my gosh, he's burning alive! Okay. Looks like he's gone. Yep, he's gone. I think we're safe. Oh. Ah! Don't blow my cover. I'm the nicest teddy bear in the world. Oh my gosh, I'm one of the 3 hiders. Don't do it. I see you there, don't do it. No! No! You. Dang it. Dang it, the other seeker wins. Dang it, that was good. Okay. That was nice. Ah! Okay. Sorry, don't mind my allergies. Doesn't help that I was sick last night. Yep, sadness, people. People, this is called sadness. Let's just turn up the volume. Let's go purchase some stuff, people. Let's go. Whoop. All right, let's see. I'll meet you there. All right, here we are. Let's see. Oh, I'd like to purchase stuff. Here we go. We're gonna go hats. Right, let's go for the headphone here. We need 318. So that's what we're gonna do. I like playing this when I'm on. Alright, let's see. Let's go to this room. Stop. Oh my gosh, what? So we're gonna be a beaker. And we're gonna go to the first room. Right there, perfect. Oh dang it. Don't taunt. Oh my gosh. No! No! That was not a good idea. That was not a good idea. No, dang it. Alright, we're a seeker again. Alright. I should have a good memory, so. Oh, dang it. The bin? Oh. Oh, dang it. Okay, let's see. Nope. Maybe this. Nope. Alright, I don't think anyone's in here, so let's go in here. Zap everything. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. I'm waiting for all my stuff to come up. I don't think there's anything in this room. Oh, we already went in here? Alright, nothing in there, so. Right here, maybe? Oh, wait, no, back here. Dang it, oh my gosh. This game. Dang it. Wait, we lost. No. Not again. Okay, oh my gosh, we went flying. So we still don't have enough for the headphones. Oh my gosh, that freaked me out. No! Sorry, my internet is not being the best today, so I'm very glitchy. No! Move it! Okay. 1, 2, 3. No! Oh my gosh. Why? All right, new round is starting. We are blue. Yay! Blue's my favorite color. Yeah, blue's my favorite color. So if you guys decide to do fan art for my birthday special, it's coming up in a week. Just letting you know, just some fan art with it would be very nice. We're gonna go as a mini chair. Right there. Where are the spawning? Oh, there! Okay, I freaked out already. Oh my gosh, did you not see me move? Okay, so we're gonna just right there. There's 2 seekers. 3 seekers. Oh gosh. I'm making a run for it. No. No. No! I saw something back here. Get him. Get him. Why am I not? Okay, we got him. Yay. Dang it, I forgot the frying pans. Most people choose frying pans. I don't know why, but they do. People, you see anything? Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm thinking of playing 2 more rounds or 1 more after this and then be done. Oh, 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 oh! Oh! The guy escaped. I think he transformed. Come on, people. Nothing. 1. Oh my gosh, 1 more. 1 more. Come on. Come on, peeps. I don't. Oh, I'm gonna go in the box room. Next time I think I should hide as a box. No! No! There was 1 more left! No! Are you kidding me? No! Oh my gosh. Yes, come on. Yay. And go, go, go! Oh my gosh, that was so close. Hey, jumped! Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna make someone fly. Oh no, oh my gosh. How can I do that? Oh my gosh. Okay, that was a big fail. Get up. Here, let's go equip some different hair. I'm tired of this beanie. I've had this for a while. Hello, mister. So I would like to put on Okay, you know what? We're gonna be wearing the big bow. Even though I hate big bows, we're gonna do it, and we are a hider again. The max will be Blox Co. Office Towers. Okay, this one is big. We're gonna be a bin. Dang it, I was thinking of going over there, going to a plant, and then coming back, but, you know, we're just gonna stay here. Should I taunt? Oh, dang it, I'm freaking out. I'm doing it again. Dang it, that's all I can do? That's all I can do? The garbage can wants to make some money, people! Oh my gosh. I'll be right back. I'll let you know if I see. Oh, wait. Oh, dang it. No! No! This might be the end. This might be the end of the garbage bin's life. I'm freaking out right now. My game is so glitchy. I'm hiding. Oh, dang it, I can't jump. There. We are the mighty chair. Oh, dang it. Okay, we're staying here. It's final. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was close. I mean, like, what? Oh, dang it. That person is back. Nope. Nope. Come on. Come on. I'm so dead right now. Oh. Oh my gosh. Don't notice the second chair. Just imagine the second chair is normal. And please go. No. Oh, dang it. It was only 2 seekers, which is good. No, oh my gosh. What is she doing? I'm afraid if I move, she's gonna see me, and then I'm dead, pretty much. Pretty much. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, she's distracted at the, what? She was distracted, yes. I mean, what? People, you submit. I'm an evil chair. Woo! Oh my gosh! Like that person just jumped, and then the other guy faded from existence. The girl, technically, I guess. What was that? Oh, I remember a cave being here. Why don't we find that and hang? I knew there was a cave. I just need to. Oh, please get off the rock. Okay. Oh, okay. Nope. We still don't have enough to get the big headphones. I'll be right back. Hey, guys, I wonder if Pennywise is in there. You think so? Oh my gosh. Oh, it doesn't look like it. No? No Pennywise? Okay. If we follow this, we should be able to get to the mountain. Oh, here, the cave. Oh my gosh! Look at this! Okay, we're blue. Again! Yeah. I had no idea. Oh, resume game. Oh, I hate this one. Come on. I'm making a run for it. There, we're staying there. Do not. Oh, dang it. No! Fox, don't you dare come this way. Shit, I'm not taunting him. I'm not taking the chances. Stop coming this way! Okay, oh my gosh. I'm not taking the risk of taunting. I'm not, oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there is so, oh my, okay, nope. Okay, oh, dang it. Did that actually just work? Oh my gosh. The lantern is staying still because no one suspects it. Oh, you're here. Ah! No! But no, oh my gosh. I'm freaking out. No. No, 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 no. Oh, dang it. I'm poking stuff with this foam thing I have right now. Oh, dang it. Oh, what? How did... What? Oh, my gosh. Okay, so it turns out that lantern died. Oh, my gosh, there's a bomb on the loose. Get the bomb. I hate this game. We're gonna lose. Huh. I thought one of those would have to be fake. Maybe one of these crates. Oh, okay. Definitely one of these? No, probably not. But yeah, see, nothing there. Maybe the baby stool. Nope. Nope, we're done. No! One left? Are you kidding me? Okay. Well, I guess this is gonna end our episode here. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, you know what? Let's turn the volume. There we go, much better. Well, anyways, thank you guys so much. This was so much fun to play. Any recommendations for the next Roblox video, let me know in the comments below. And my birthday's in a week. I need fan art if you want to be featured in my special. So, I just want to let you know. Go away. Well, anyways, will you stop it? Get out of my view. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.